Oh, since we are hungry, I think this is the good restaurant. Hey guys, take a look at this.
I'm always on your side. 많은 말을 헤집으며 찾은 나의 위로.
Is this the new restaurant that goes viral in the town, right? Many people say that the signature dish is quite good and have reasonable price too. Why don't have we go as right? And many good response are on their social media comments.
Are you sure with all the responses and feedback that you saw on the social media?
I think I'm agree with Fatullah. Why don't we take a shot? Who knows that dish is really good?
Come on, man. There's nothing to lose.
At least we try it by ourselves, right?
Okay, let's go. Just this time, okay?
Okay lang, let's go.
Welcome, sir. Let us take a seat, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Can we sit here, sir?
Yes, sure. Have a seat.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, guys, let's go.
Make yourself comfort. What would you like to order, sir?
What is special dish do you have?
Oh yeah, we have our signature this year with biscuit cap malima.
Ooh, it sounds very unique. I want to try that one. So you guys, what do you guys want?
I think I want to order the same thing that you ordered.
Me too, Alan. Yeah, sure. We ordered the same thing.
That's great. You guys make a choice. It will be 30 minutes to prepare your order.
Yep, I think that sounds great.
Okay, you guys have made a choice.
I'm very excited to try this signature dish. I heard it out of this world.
Same here. I've been looking forward to this all week.
Looks like our food should be arriving soon. I hope it is as good as they say.
With all the buzz about this place, I'm sure it won't disappoint.
I know, right? Here comes the moment of the truth.
Hello, sir. This is your food.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait a minute. This doesn't look right.
Yeah, this doesn't resemble what we are expecting at all.
And where are the special ingredients they promise?
Are you sure these are our signature dishes?
I was really hoping for something amazing. You just can't ignore this. We really need to talk to someone about our needs.
Agree, we paid good money for this experience and it's not what we were promised.
Let's try to handle this wallet later. There's no need to cause a scene.
Right. Let's find ourselves and calmly explain our concern.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Is everything alright with your meals?
Actually, we are a bit disappointed. We are ordered the signature dish, but we have recipe doesn't seem like in the description.
I apologize for any confusion. Can you please tell me what seems to be the issue?
Sorry, sir. Upon the food we ordered is not the same as advertised menu.
Yes, the advertised menu looks so good, but the food does not meet the desired expectation.
The quantity of food in the menu is not as much as what was given to us.
I'm truly sorry, sir, for the mix-up. Let me see what I can do to make this signature recipe. I hope this meet your expectation.
Thank you for addressing our concern.
We appreciate your attention to this matter.
3.
This look much better. Thank you for making it right.
We're glad you are able to make decision. Thank you.
No problem, sir. If there is any problem, misleading or anything that we should fix.
Guys, I think we should go pay the bills. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.